how to carry your tools for easy access when you're first starting as a groundman. Your pants are going to be heavy. I'm just going to let you know that. Remember, there's 4 essential tools that you're going to need in your pocket. And the most important one is your climbs. Your climbs. They're always going to ask you for your climbs, so climbs are always there. Climbs are always there. The next one you can have is an adjustable wrench. Adjustable wrench. I like to put that in the same side as my climbs. Then you have your channel locks. These are kind of big, so I like to keep them right there in that pocket. And then this one's like an extra credit tool, I would say, you keep, and it's a speed wrench. So you can put that right there. Pants will be heavy. You can have it just like that. Pants will be heavy. Some people take this and just have this in the front pocket right here, and they'll have this, your climbs, just with the handles like that. And they'll have your channel locks with the handles, but I don't like my channel locks with my handles in because they fall out. They're just too big. Here's another tool you need quick access to, is your hawkbill knife. Skinning wire, things like that, right? And another thing I like, especially as a new apprentice, is a knife sharpener that fits in your pocket. It's just square, because when you're first skinning wire, it's pretty difficult. So I suggest keeping your knife sharp, and it fits right in your pocket. Whenever you got downtime, whatever, you just go ahead and sharpen that up. Easy. Easy. All right. So these are things I'll talk about in my apprenticeship guide. It takes out the guesswork of how to apply, how to become an apprentice. If you want access to that free guide, email me at iamgerchie@gmail.com, and I'll send that guide straight to you. I am Gerchie.